going into 2025. Many of us have vowed to cut down on our screen time. It's a lot easier said than done.
Yeah, digital devices are a part of our everyday lives, especially when it comes to work and school. So here on Sunrise, we're taking a deep dive into the easiest ways to cut back and take a break from scrolling. A digital wellbeing expert, Dr. Joe Orlando, joins us live in the studio right now. Joe, this term, it's called brain rot. It was the Oxford Dictionary word of the year.
Yeah.
How do we avoid brain rot?
It says it all, doesn't it? And it directly relates to our social media use. So before we used to follow people and follow interests on social media, but now we just go on the For You page and we let the algorithms deliver whatever content it wants. So it could be like a potato rolling down the stairs or someone organising their sock drawer, pretty mundane stuff. And our brain is starting to react against it. So if you're feeling like, oh, that video is I need to think too much to watch this video, or this is too long to read, then you might be kind of feeling this brain rot feeling, and it's your brain kind of developing a tolerance for the mundane content and resisting doing anything that's a bit of effort. So if you're feeling like that, it's just coming back to bite us doing all this kind of thing.
I don't know, that potato rolling down the stairs, that was one of my highlights of 2024. How do we actually cut it down? I just literally 2 days ago turned on the downtime function on my iPhone, which was really easy to do, and I can't believe I haven't done it before.
I know, we've got lots of settings in our phones. It's so easy. You can shut down your Instagram or your social media for a while, downtime in car mode when you're driving so you're not disturbed. But I think there's the time part, but there's also the quality part. So if you feel like brain rot is starting to set in, if you're going to use social media, be more intentional. Don't just let TikTok or Instagram deliver whatever it wants to you. Choose people, choose interests, choose things that'll actually kind of value add to you. We only have so much time, so why give it away to just watching nothing?
Well, Joe, for a broader digital detox, though, like our work, our jobs are so tied to screen time. It makes it hard then to cut back.
It does, and I'm the same. I work all day on a screen, and technology is so convenient that we just go home and we keep doing all that stuff on a screen too. So I want you to think of the term switch back, and I'm going to tell you what I've done in my life. So I love cooking. I've been cooking off my phone. It's so convenient. There's so many recipes on there, but I kind of lost the love for it. So I decided to switch back to cookbooks, and now it's kind of this renewed energy again, and I love it again. So what can you switch back to in your personal life? So instead of grocery shopping off your phone, then just go to the supermarket, push a trolley, phone away, have your grocery list on a piece of paper, or things like QR codes. They're turning our outing to just sharing around the phone. What do you want to order? Put it away. Just order the old-fashioned way. So what can you switch back to?
I don't have time to cook because I've spent so much time saving recipes on my phone. Joe, thank you so much for that. Fantastic tips. We're back with more Sunrise in just a moment.